whole lot of anything. I had a hard time showing up to work when I needed to. I was afraid and ashamed of going to family events because I was worried that they were going to know that I was high. I had a hard time looking at myself in the mirror because I knew I was just miserable and unhappy with myself based on my circumstances at that time in my life, and also these choices that I was making with getting high on a regular basis. I just looked at myself. It was just incredibly disappointed. No self-confidence, no self-esteem. My complete outlook on life was horrific because I only saw it in the context of marijuana and this religion that came along with it. Like, all I cared about all day and every day was who I was going to get high with, what type of food I was going to eat after, what music are we going to listen to on the car ride while we're getting high, who do I have to scheme to be able to smoke for free. If anybody, calls me that's not
What up, DJ
helping
Tony
me in that
Renee?
situation, they
Y'all
don't
know to go
matter to me.
check
Like,
her
all
out
that
every
stuff was just
Friday and
horrible,
Saturday
right? It
night.
was rotting my
And
life.
any
Once
other
I
time
quit
you want to go back
marijuana,
and
which
hit
is
a
when I was in
replay.
jail, the first day I went to jail was the last day that I did any drugs, my quality of life started to improve. I started to work out, as many of you know, when I was in jail. I started to focus more on nutrition. I started to focus more on what I wanted for myself in life. I started to be disciplined. I started being able to get comfortable being uncomfortable. I was motivated to change my life. I was motivated to do certain things in my life. I didn't have a problem showing up to family events. I didn't have a problem staying disciplined and
Put
going
the
to
blunt
work
right there on.
because
Here, pass him
now
the blunt. Look at him.
marijuana wasn't
He trying to grab it.
overwhelming me at that time in my life. It
He
was
trying
out
to
of my
grab
life and I could focus on other
it.
things. It gave me so much time back. I just felt so much better about myself. My entire outlook changed without being high all the time on marijuana. So first thing is my brain healed. The second thing is it improved my overall quality of life. The third thing is that it improved my mental
You
health
already know. Me and
so
Spider
much.
Pig gonna
It's
pull up
funny,
just like you be
initially
pulled up
when I
for Super
started to get high, I
Saturdays.
was doing it because I felt like it was helping my anxiety, it
No,
was
we love
helping my
that.
stress levels, it was helping me to self-regulate. And what I found was it did the opposite of that long term. Like, I found that the more I smoked and the more I smoked, the more anxious I became, the more paranoid I became, the worse I was at dealing with my emotions, right? And so I say that because when I was getting high consistently on marijuana, I was often anxious, paranoid, and constantly worried about my life, worried about what people thought of me, worried about people knew what I was up to and that sort of thing. When I stopped, my anxiety rapidly decreased. My paranoia went away. I stopped having panic attacks because when I was getting high on marijuana, I was having panic attacks frequently. As a matter of fact, I was in the emergency room twice while I was high on marijuana. So again, marijuana dramatically hurt my mental health, made me way more anxious, paranoia, crazy amounts of panic attacks, hyper stressed, more worried. And when I stopped, I felt that my anxiety went down a lot, paranoia went away, anxiety attacks went away. And a lot of that came from me quitting the pot, but it also came from me choosing other paths to deal with my emotions. Because, like I said, using marijuana to deal with my emotions and the anxiety and the stress and all that stuff long term caused more emotional problems for me, caused more anxiety, caused more paranoia. Well, I still had some mental health stuff going on. It didn't all completely go away. The anxiety, like I said, was significantly reduced. But to deal with that anxiety that I would have, I chose different things. I chose exercise. I chose running. I chose walking. I chose talking to a friend that I trusted. I chose just sitting in peace somewhere. I chose better things. And
Key word was like he just said. He chose better. Hell, what's better than getting high? Doing other shit. Shit that you might not do because you high, but that's what it be.
over time, my mental health improved not only because I had
Y'all already
continued to
know.
abstain from marijuana, but because I was teaching myself how to properly self-regulate and deal with my anxiety in a healthy way that wasn't going to cost me long term. I also had way more self-confidence, way more self-esteem after quitting marijuana. The reason is because when I got high a lot on marijuana, I would eat a lot of food, so I would gain weight, and I wasn't happy with my health because I had a ton of body fat, and I looked at myself in the mirror and was just completely unhappy with the way I treated myself, so it negatively impacted my self-esteem, my self-confidence. I knew the way I was handling my life and the way I was dealing with things was not healthy and was not in the best interest of me, even though I was doing it, and so that made me feel ashamed. I wasn't happy with my current situation in life, so that negatively impacted my mental health. And so after quitting marijuana, after getting out of jail,